everyone. My name is Arpita Hun from Sanjuni University Department MBA. My presentation topic is import and export. What is import? Goods and services brought into a country from abroad for sales. An example of a country import producer doesn't produce efficiently. And what is export? Goods and services produced in one of country is sold to other countries. This happen when a country produce surplus and specialize in a product. And role in economic of growth as exports goods and countries of revenue by generating foreign exchange and contributing to GDP growth. And imports allows countries to access to goods and services not available, which can lower prices. Importers and exporters access to goods and access of goods and services and not available locally, exchanging consumer choice and competitions, which can lower prices. And transport modes of import and export. First, air freight. Air freight is ideal of time sensitive. Goods are expensive, and sea freight is economical for large volume but slower. And road transport is a conduct for connecting of include inland for trade but depend infrastructure. And benefits of imports and exports: promote encourage of imports and standard of living of offering various goods and supports economic growth. And purpose of import: countries import when need goods available for are provide less efficiently. Imports produce consumer with access to a wider variety of products and services. And purpose of exports: export means a country earn foreign exchanges, create a job, strengthening of industries. So I will one example of provide import and export, that is like a country Japan with limited natural resources of imports raw materials like oil and metals. It is uses them imports to manufacture goods such as electronics, which is export to other countries. Thus, Japan's economy thrives on both imports and exports, creating a balance that drives its international of trade relations. Conclusion of imports and export are with components. If a company's economy facilitating the exchanges of goods and services to a global scale. With imports allows nations to access exports, enable then a sale of their encourage of especially products driving to a between imports and export is enabling stability and fostering of informational trade relationship and improving the standard of living. And effects of trades. Strengthening of both imports and exports are nations of global economic produce. Thank you.